Nakakatawa talaga itong si Jane. It's fun. Happy New Year, everyone. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita, nagbibideo sa kusina. I was making my fruit. Hindi pala nag-click yung... Hindi naman yung video. Akala ko natapos. Now I am eating. I'm eating the fruit that I'm making with cottage cheese. This is my breakfast. Bill is still sleeping. He was watching the fireworks last night, pero ako tulog. I was dead flat, so because I had a headache last night, so I slept early. And then I asked, "Why did you not wake me up?" So I don't want to wake you up because you are really tired. It seems you are tired, so he didn't wake me up. I was not able to see the fireworks. Okay, it's okay lang. Okay lang. Marami na akong fireworks na, napanood noon pa. Ayoko na. Pero maganda naman kasi every year they always have different fireworks. But I miss it. Ngayon, first day of the year. Happy New Year. Naka-gloves pa si Jane. I was making my fruit. Ito breakfast ko. A combination of what's this? Cut fruits of cantaloupe, mayroong mango, mayroong avocado at saka blueberry. I put cottage cheese on it. Ito lang breakfast ko. Gumagawa ko ng I cook bacon actually. Pero kalimutan na yung bacon. Mamaya na. It's yum. Yummy. I hope this year will be a productive one for all of us. Jane, go into business. Huwag niyong kalimutan. Check my website at www.janeandbillclanton.com. Bill is B-I-L-L. Jane is J-A-N-E. www.janeandbillclanton.com. Check it out. You'll have many surprises. And mind you, if you want to change your life for the better, join us. Join us in a free webinar and you'll find out later why we are doing this business. It's for our family because we have our own why. My why is my family, so want to travel with my husband. I wish my husband will live longer so we can travel together. And I have so many wishes for him. So many wishes for him. Have a happy new year, everyone! Meron akong video kahapon kaya very, very short lang. So, ito, meron pang ano niya sa birthday noon. Merry Christmas, happy birthday. Ayan yung aking window. Walang snow. Imagine, first day of the year, not even snowing yet. Pero okay lang. Mas maganda nga. I want to go home to the Philippines. Namiss ko na family ko, actually. But, titingnan lang natin kung makauwi ako hindi. Otherwise, ipon muna. Pero talagang gusto ko umuwi. I already have a ticket actually. But I want to go home before it expires in February. Otherwise, I'll be there in January next year. God willing. Bye everyone. Happy New Year. Bye.